Good day, guys. Welcome where Maths is made easy with teacher Satya here. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to classify triangles by their angles. Make sure you watch the entire video to have better understanding on this topic. Now let's get to it, guys. Now, before we start classifying triangles, let's understand what do we mean by a triangle. So a triangle is a 2D shape that has 3 edges, 3 vertices, and 3 angles, right guys? Now the first type of triangle that we'll be talking about here is an acute angle triangle. In an acute angle triangle, all of its angles will be acute angles. The second type of triangle that we'll be talking about is what we call an obtuse angle triangle. In an obtuse angle triangle, one of its angle will be an obtuse angle and the remaining 2 of its angles will be acute angles. The third type of triangle that we'll be talking about is a right angle triangle, and by the name itself we know that one of its angle will be a right angle and the remaining 2 angles will be acute angles. Now let's take this knowledge and start solving some questions, guys. Now if you take a look at question number 1, we see that we have 3 angles here which are 72 degrees, 36 degrees and 72 degrees. Now these angles are all acute angles. So in a triangle, if all of the angles are acute angles, it goes by acute angled triangle. Right guys? Now in question number 2, again we have 3 angles which are 50 degrees, 60 degrees and 70 degrees. And all of these angles are again acute angles. Therefore, this triangle will also be acute angled triangle. Right guys? Now let's go to question number 3. Now if we take a look at question number 3, we have one angle which is 120 degrees and the remaining 2 angles are 30 degrees. Now 120 degrees is an obtuse angle, and in a triangle, if one of its angle is obtuse angle, that means this triangle will be obtuse angled triangle, right guys? And in question number 4, if we take a look at it, we have one of its angles straight away which is a right angle, right guys? Now in a triangle, if one of its angle is a right angle, we know straight away that it is a right angled triangle. Alright guys, and that is how we would classify triangles by their angles. If you did enjoy this video, do not forget to hit on that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future maths videos. Until next time guys, have a nice day.